So you wanna know which way a component's right side is facing. That's get right vector. Now it's how you figure out the sideways direction, which is just as important as forward vector or forward direction. And things like strafing, side steps, or offsetting object rely on this. Now to get this node, you just have to right click and type in get right vector. Now it comes with few options. One for the actor, which is get actor right vector, and the second one comes for the scene components, which is just get right vector. But it needs to be connected with a target like Q1 or default scene root. And for you, it may be a completely different thing. And for now, let's just remove all of this because we have an example prepared for us where we are taking an execution pin from event, then a delay of 2 seconds, then we are adding the actor's world offset so we can see it in action how it is actually working. So we are following from our previous tutorial of get forward vector. You can check that out so that you can see the forward direction will be a different direction and this is something different. It's on the same plane, same tutorial level, so it's better to watch both of these videos. But for now, we are taking the gets actor right vector and then we are specifying the unit, the distance unit, the unreal unit, which it needs to move in the right vector or the right side. Like it's we are multiplying it by 500 here and then it's the delta location. And for the sweep and teleport, we are leaving it as is. And definitely you can experiment as you like and see for yourself what difference it makes in it. And for now, let's just compile the code, press begin play, and as you can see on the screen, it's moving in the right vector direction every 2 seconds. So let's just understand where we actually going to use it. So it's used for strafing movement, procedural offset, spawning effect to the right or left of the character, or orbiting companions if you have any in your game. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.